In this tutorial, you will learn a new way of making bustier that is perfect for all sizes, be it petite size or plus size. And trust me, this method will help you in making bustier that stands firm, and it saves cost, it saves time, and also gives perfect and professional look. I will advise all beginners to start with this method. Let's start this tutorial now. To make this, we are going to need Emmy gum. Number 2, we are going to need este. This is este. Number 3, we are going to need waddies. These are waddies. This is medium size. We have light, we have hard, but this is medium. To cut out waddies for the center part, you are going to move 1/2 quarter away from the edge, that's I'm indicating, and for the side, from your side joining, my side joining is 1.5, you are going to move away 2 inches from the side joining, and you can also move 2.5 away from the side joining as well, but I'm moving away by 2 inches. So I'm going to connect this now, leaving my 1/2 quarter at the edge of the upper part, as you can see. So I'm going to connect to the under bust as well. So this mark indicates the size of my waddies. After marking out my waddy size, I go ahead and cut the waddies and also shape everything in place. Remember, on the upper part we are to leave 1/2 quarter. So I'm going to trim my 1/2 quarter now. So just follow this same process. We will definitely get same result. After cutting this out, I'm going to confirm what I have. Don't forget to always confirm your measurements. Now we are going to trim this more in order to have our measurement. Now we have our 1/2 quarter, so we are going to proceed. I'm going to make my center notch obvious, that's the bust area. So I'm going to notch it, and after this, on the center area where we are going to join our bodies together, both center and the side, you are going to move away from the edge of the fabric by 1/4 and 1/8. It's not up to 1/2 inch. Actually, the joining allowance for this is 1/2 inch, but the waddies will be short by 1/4 and 1/8, or you will move away from the edge of this fabric by 1/4 and 1/8. I don't know how you do pronounce it, but just as you see me doing, that's what you have to do in order to get same result, in order to get this firm bustier body. To have this perfectly fitted bustier, we are going to have 2 center, and we are going to repeat same process. That is, we are going to move away 1/4 and 1/8 on each side, and at the upper part we are going to move away by 1/2 quarter. So that is the process. Now we are going to set the center aside, and as for the sides, we are going to duplicate it as well to make it 4 pieces, and also cut out our waddies. Now the waddies is ready. The next thing is to trim the waddies as well, and I believe you still remember how we did the center part. For the side here, we are to move away 1/4 and 1/8 away from the fabric, 1/4 and 1/8, and also we are going to notch the center as well, because we have to match our center. On the upper part here, we are to move away by 1/2 quarter. 1/2 quarter measurement is very important while making dress. So So I'm trying to trace out the shape of the bodies we've drawn to earlier. I'm going to use these bodies now to cut out the remaining 3 pieces in order to complete our 4 pieces for the sides. Before I cut out the remaining bodies, let me quickly make this center notch obvious. So I'm repeating myself because of the slow learner in the class. Now I've duplicated the size bodies as well. Then I'm notching the center. So the next thing now is to proceed to the pressing table and iron these bodies down. One of the factors that make this method work is that your bodies will not get to the edge of this fabric. So that's why you have to move away 1/4 and 1/8. So I'm going to set it and press it down onto the fabric, and our joining is 1/2 inch. So let's iron this onto the fabric and proceed to joining. So we're going to iron every bodies down onto the fabric. Again, you have to move away 1/2 and 1/4 from the upper part here. So let's proceed. As you can see now, I'm done ironing our interface or the bodies onto the fabric, as you can see. So all is set. The next thing now is to apply our A-stay. We're going to cut it to the size of the fabric, and I'm going to make it double. So this one piece, we're going to lay it over it. You press. We are going to press it down, and also we are going to double it and press it as well. So you press it. We are going to repeat same to all the pieces. So let's proceed. After ironing all our A-stay onto the pieces, then we are going to trim it and proceed to joining. I'm done trimming all the A-stay to the size of our bodies. So the next thing now, we are going to head over to the sewing machine, join this to this and this side to this side as well, and we are going to repeat same to the both sides. So let's proceed to sewing machine now. But I will advise you to watch till the end because we still have 2 more steps in order to achieve this very effect. After joining our sides together, the next 2 steps now, which I call game changer. Number 1, we are going to notch all this cuff edge, and we are going to repeat this, notch all the edges, all the cuff area, and also you are going to repeat same here. And after notching them, we are going to press open. We are going to press this open with Alt iron. After opening all the seams with Alt iron, the next thing is to secure this joining by ironing A-stay onto it. So I'm going to place it on it, then I'm going to press it down. Also, I'm going to add another one onto it, making 2 pieces of A-stay, and we are going to repeat same on all the seams. For the upper seams, I make use of 2 pieces of A-stay to cover the upper part all, while I make use of 4 pieces of A-stay to cover the down side. So that is number 1. And lastly, we are going to put them right side facing each other, and we are going to join from the upper part. After joining, then I'm going to explain how we are going to make use of our hemming gum to get this effect. So stay tuned. After joining, this is what I have. The next thing is to turn it out this way, and after turning it out, we are going to add the last material, which is our hemming gum, and this is going to change the look completely, as you can see now. So we are going to open it up and add our hemming gum here. This is where the hemming gum will be, and we are going to align this on it, and we have to be very careful while making this. So let's add it. This is the hemming gum I'm making use of. This is the final stage, and you have to be very careful. So once the hemming gum is in place, you will gently align the fabric to match each other. Then you press down. As you can see, this will give you this result. Try this method out and let me know the results you have in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and see you in the next tutorial.